Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone XR Baseband IC rebelling. Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Now disassembling the motherboard. You are viewing a microscopic view. Removing baseband IC through hot gun. Cleaning the motherboard connectors. Reinstalling the IC. Assembling the phone. Now connect the phone USB through Chinley IDFU Go 2 kit for quick recovery mode and firmware reinstallation. Now it's time to test. And that's it. We've successfully rebelled baseband IC. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Do you have any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.